Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about action words. Yes, today we will learn about action words. What is an action words? Action words, also known as action verbs, are words we use to describe things like our movements and activities. You may not notice it, but we use action words in every sentence we speak or write. Yes, today we will learn about 20 action words in English with pictures and sentences. Let's start. Run. I like to run in a race. Yes children, ये पिक्चर देखो, ये रन कर रहा है बच्चा. Walk. I walk to school every day. Dance. Dance. He has always loved to dance. Stand. Stand. Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Play. Play. He wanted to play football. Play. Jump. ये बच्चों आपको भी जंप करना पसंद है ना? I will jump into the well. Laugh. She always makes me laugh. Laugh. Read. Read. I can read. I can read. Read. Think. Think. I think she is a very good and intelligent student. Write. Write. Rosie will write a letter to her father. Write. Write. Ride. Ride. She is going to ride a bicycle. Cry. The girl will cry for this toy. Clean. She keeps a very clean house. Clean. Sleep. Sleep. Do you sleep well? Sing. Can you sing this song for me? Sneeze. Sneeze. She let out a loud sneeze. Clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands for me. Clap, clap, clap. Kick. Kick, kick, kick. Rohan kicks the football. Kicks, kicks, kick. Fight. Fight. I don't want to fight with her. Fight. Fight. Cook. Cook. She cooks food for me. Yummy. Cook. Cook. Drink. He does not like to drink milk. He does not like to drink milk. Drink. Drink. Sit. Sit. I can sit. I can sit. Talk. Talk. I'm not interested to talk with her. Talk. Talk, talk, talk. Wash. Wash. Wash, wash, wash. Reena was going to wash her hands. Wash. Push. Push, push, push. Do you want to push shopping cart? Push, push, push. I want to eat a Maggie. Yummy. Eat. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like and subscribe. Bye bye children. Bye.